I don't. Am I getting better at that yet? Still no.
Please,
No?
stop.
Ah, crap.
You are boring me.
Iris, come on.
I mean it. You are boring me to death. I am inanimate. Johnny, you are even boring to the inanimate.
Well, Iris, you can do what everyone else in the room is doing and drink heavily. It generally makes me more funny, I think.
Jump in Jesus on a pogo stick. Johnny, you actually had a good idea. Hell must be getting cold right now. I mean it. Your plan-basting from stage is not gonna be Bogetto anytime soon.
Flamboston?
Bogetto?
I'm gonna get high. Gonna get drunk.
Bogetto! Bogetto?
This shorty's got some partying to catch up on.
Iris, are you drunk already?
Don't you start me. Good.
Okay.
How did you already get drunk?
I have very efficient software, and I also lit a spliff.
Lit a spliff? Did she say she lit a spliff? I'm on board.
That would be amazing. But that's got to be some sort of record, I think.
You're just jealous. I'm going to go get laid. Later, loser.
Well, I mean, smoke weed every day, right, Iris?
Like, Iris,